So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, Miss. Today we are going to be presenting our concept paper titled Binary Eye, the Future of Human Vision. So, now we are going to proceed to our abstract, which will Giovanni will read.
This concept paper proposes the development of multifunctional contact lens integrating LiDAR technology and the other advanced features to revolutionize human perception and interaction. The lens aims to transform the way we capture memories by creating immersive 3D models of our surroundings, enhancing situational awareness for safety driving and navigation, and providing invaluable assistance to visually and hearing impaired individuals through real-time objects detection, transcription, and sound recognition, while seamlessly integrating with Bluetooth headsets and digital assistants. These innovative devices promises to redefine the way we interact with technology and the world around us. This paper will delve into the technological advancements required, explore the potential applications in various fields such as healthcare, transportation, and communication, and discuss the ethical consideration and societal implications of such a transformative device.
And now for the introduction. In the modern world, our interaction with the environment and our ability to document experiences are limited by traditional methods. Photos and videos, while capturing moment in time, fail to fully immerse viewers in the richness of our surroundings. Additionally, navigation and assistive technologies for individuals with disabilities often rely on bulky devices or complex interface, hindering their seamless integration into daily life. This concept paper titled Enhancing Human Perception and Interaction with LiDAR Enabled Contact Lenses proposes a groundbreaking solution to these limitations. By integrating LiDAR technology into contact lenses, we envision a future where individuals can capture immersive 3D models of their environment, gaining a deeper understanding and appreciation of the world around them. This technology also has the potential to revolutionize navigation and assistive technologies by providing real-time information and alerts, thereby enhancing safety and independence for users. Moreover, the integration of LiDAR-enabled contact with Bluetooth headset and digital assistant promises to streamline communication and access to information, making technology more accessible and intuitive. This project holds immense significance as it could fundamentally reshape how we interact with the world and document our experiences. It has the potential to redefine the way we navigate, communicate, and access information, ultimately empowering individuals to live more fulfilling and independent lives. The implications of this technology extends across various fields, including healthcare, transportation, and communication, promising a future where the boundaries between the physical and digital world blur, leading to a more connected and immersive human experience. And now we will now proceed to the background of the study, which Art Michael Makasilig will read.
LiDAR technology, the convergence of sensor technologies, smart contact lenses, and human-computer interaction is paving the way for a new era of augmented perceptions and interaction. LiDAR or light detection and ringing, a technology traditionally used in fields like autonomous vehicles and robotics, is now being miniaturized for integration into variable devices. Its ability to create detailed 3D maps of the environment has the potential to revolutionize how we perceive and interact with it. LiDAR technology uses a pulse laser to accurately measure distance between objects on the Earth's surface, creating detailed 3D presentation. Key components include a scanner, laser, GPS receiver, photo detector, and optics. This data is often collected using helicopters, drones, or airplanes, making it a valuable tool for various organizations.
Next is eye tracking sensors. Eye tracking sensors are crucial elements in eye tracking technology, allowing for the real time detection and measurements of eye movements and gaze patterns. These sensors typically embedded in devices like eye trackers translate eye movement into data streams that includes detail such as pupil position, gaze directions, and specific point of focus.
Accelerometer and gyroscope. Accelerometers and gyroscopes are both motion sensors used to detect movement and orientation, but they operate differently and measure distinct aspects of motion. Accelerometers measure linear acceleration along one or more axes, detecting changes in velocity and determining the orientation of the stationary objects relative to Earth's gravity. Accelerometers utilize microscopic crystals that produces a voltage and subjective to vibrations, which is then used to measure acceleration. They are frequently employed in devices such as smartphones to detect screen orientation, function as compasses, and recognize shake actions. Gyroscope measure angular velocity, which is the rate of rotation around the axis, by utilizing the principle of angular momentum to determine orientation. They play a crucial role in navigation for applications such as un, unmanned aerial vehicles, compasses, and large boats, ensuring stability by providing precise real-time data on an object's rotation and orientation.
Proximity sensor. Proximity sensor are non-contact devices used to detect the presence of object without physical contact. They function by emitting an electromagnetic field, infrared radiation, sounds, or light, and then detecting changes in this field or the turn signal when an object enters the sensing area. These sensors are widely used in various industries and applications due to their reliability, long functional life, and lack of mechanical parts, ensuring durability and low maintenance requirements.
Next is ambient light sensors. An ambient light sensors is a photodetector used to sense the amount of ambient light present. It is common component in electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and televisions. The primary function of ambient light sensors is to adjust the screen brightness automatically based on the surrounding light levels. This helps to improve visibility, reduce eye strain, and conserve battery life. Ambient light sensors typically use photodiodes or phototransistors to detect light. These sensors convert light into an electrical signal, which is then processed by the device software to determine the appropriate screen brightness.
Contact lens. Contact lens. Contact lens. Contact lenses are thin, clear plastic discs worn in the eye to improve vision by floating on the tear film that covers the cornea. They correct vision problems caused by errors such as nearsightedness, farsightedness, and astigmatism. As medical devices, they require a prescription from a licensed eye care professional. The two main types of are hard and soft lenses. Soft lenses, which are more common, are available in various forms, including daily disposable, extended wear, toric, and colored varieties.
So, human-computer interactions or HCI. Human-computer interactions is multidisciplinary field dedicated to optimizing the interaction between users and the computers. It involves designing interactive computer interfaces that meet user needs by incorporating principles from computer science, behavior sciences, cognitive science, ergonomics, psychology, and design. The goal is to create user-friendly environments and improve the user experience with computing devices. Today, HCI involves designing, implementing, and evaluating interactive interfaces that improve user experience and efficiency in human-computer interaction. some human computer interaction in everyday life. So smartphones using touchscreens, gestures, and voice commands to interact with smartphones for activities like texting, browsing the internet, and using apps. ATMs, automated teller machines, feature user-friendly interface for cash withdrawals, deposits, and other banking transactions, highlighting effective human-computer interaction. Smart home devices, controlling smart home devices such as thermostats, lights, and security systems via voice command or mobile apps to demonstrate seamless human-computer interaction. Home automation, e-commerce website. Shopping online on e-commerce website involves creating user-friendly interfaces, utilizing search functionalities and intuitive design elements that enhance the overall shopping experience. Gaming and lastly, game console, playing video games on gaming console controllers, motion sensors, and virtual reality headset showcases interactive human-computer interface that provide immersive gaming experience.
So now we are proceeding to our significance of this study.
Significance of this research lies in its potential to revolutionize the way we perceive and interact with the world through the integration of multiple sensors technology into a single convenient platform. The smart contact lens, this multi-sensor approach promises to create a more comprehensive and immersive experience than any single technology could achieve alone.
Revolutionizing memory capture. By combining LiDAR's 3D mapping capabilities with eye tracking and micro camera input, we can create incredibly detailed and interactive 3D models of our surroundings. This will transform how we capture, preserve, and relive memories, offering a level of immersion previously unattainable. Next is navigation and safety. Integrating LiDAR with accelerometers, gyroscopes, and proximity sensors will provide a real-time spatial awareness and object detection far beyond what's currently available. This has the potential to significantly improve navigation for everyone, particularly individuals with visual impairments, and enhance safety in various scenarios, including driving. Next is the new era of accessibility. Combining LiDAR with other sensors like micro camera and microphones open new possibilities for assistive technologies. Real-time transcription, sound recognition, and detailed environmental information can empower individuals with disabilities, providing them with greater independence and a richer interaction with the world around them. And next is seamless human-computer interaction. The integration of multiple sensors into a single contact lens enable intuitive and natural interactions with technology. Eye gestures, voice commands, and even subtle head movements can be used to control devices and access information, making technology more accessible and less intrusive. And lastly is broader social impact. The widespread adoption of multi-sensor contact lenses has the potential to revolutionize various fields from healthcare, education, to entertainment and communication. It could lead to a new form of augmented reality, personalized medical diagnostics, and innovative ways of learning and interacting with digital informations. And now we are going to proceed to our statement of the problem.
So statement of the problem. In today's rapidly advancing technology landscape, our methods of interacting with the world and capturing our experiences remain inherently limited. Traditional visual media, such as photographs and videos, lack and deep of and immersion, lack the deep and immersion necessarily to truly relive us and share our memories. Furthermore, individuals with visual or hearing impairments face significant challenges in navigating their environment and accessing information, as current assistive technology often rely on bulky device or complex interfaces. Current smart devices, current smart devices, while offering increased connectivity and functionality, still require manual input and often disrupt the natural flow of human interaction. The reliance on external devices for tasks like communication, information access, and controlling smartphone appliances can be cumbersome and inefficient. This disconnect between our desire for immersive experiences, accessible information, and seamless interaction with technology highlights a significant gap in current solutions. There is a pressing need for an initiative, integrated and unobtrusive unobtrusive device that can augment human perception, enhance situational awareness, and empower individuals with disabilities while seamlessly integrating our daily lives.
And now our objectives of the study.
Objectives of the study. The primary objective of this study is to conceptualize and design multifunctional contact lens, named the binary eye, that seamlessly integrates various sensors technology to enhance human perception and integration with the surrounding environment. This innovative device aims to address the limitations of current technologies in capturing immersive experiences, assisting individuals with disabilities, and facilitating natural human-computer interaction. To achieve this overarching goal, the study outlines the following specific objectives. Number one, to explore the feasibility of integrating LiDAR technology into a contact lens from factor. This involves investigating the miniaturizing of LiDAR sensors, power management strategies, and biocompatibility issues to ensure safe, comfortable wear. Number two, to design an intuitive and user-friendly interface for the binary eye. This includes developing natural interaction methods, such as eye gestures and voice commands, for seamless control of lens function and communication with digital assistants. Number three, to evaluate the potential of the binary eye to enhance spatial awareness and navigation. This involves conducting simulation and user studies to assess the effectiveness of the LiDAR-based 3D mapping capabilities in providing real-time information and guidance to users, particularly those with visual impairments. Number four, to investigate the to investigate the application of 3D modeling for immersive memory capture. This involves developing algorithms and software for converting LiDAR point cloud data into interactive 3D models that can be revisited and shared. And lastly, number five, to access the potential of the binary eye to assist individuals with disabilities. This includes evaluating the effectiveness of real-time transcription, sound recognition, and object detection features in enhancing the daily lives of those with hearing and visual impairments.
So, proposed solutions. Imagine a world where your eyes become seamlessly blending your perceptions with the digital realm. This concept paper produces back a groundbreaking advance in human-computer interaction through the development of multi-sensor contact lenses. These lenses equipped with an array of cutting-edge technologies, including LiDAR, light detection, and ranging, eye tracking sensor, accelerometers, and more, promise to redefine how we experience and interact with the world around us. By integrating this sensor into comfortable and unintrusive wearable, we can unlock a new level of spatial awareness, intuitive control, and immersive experiences, ultimately enhancing our lives in ways previously unimaginable. This 3D model showcases the design of the binary eye, a multi-sensor contact lens ways to revolutionize human perception and interaction. The lens seamlessly integrates a suite of cutting-edge technologies, including a my miniaturized LiDAR sensor, eye tracking sensor, and accelerometers, gyroscope, micro camera, and other essential components. At the heart of binary eye lies the LiDAR sensor, which emits laser pulses to measure distances and generates a real-time 3D map of, of the wireless surrounding. This spatial data combined with input from the other sensor unlocks a wide range of capabilities, including immersive 3D capture. The lens can create detailed 3D model of environment, allowing user to capture and relive their experiences in entirely new way. Enhanced spatial awareness. The 3D mapping data can be used to provide real-time feedback on obstacles, navigation routes, and other environmental details, enhancing safety and awareness of all users, particularly those with a visual impairments. In intuitive interaction, eye tracking, and other sensor enabled natural and seamless control of the lens function, such as capturing 3D models, accessing information, or communicating with systems.
So this is the 3D model of our binary eye, which the software that we're using is Blender. So as you can see, there are two shapes right there. The first one is the human eyeball, and the second is our lens, the binary eye. So as you notice, the top of the eyeballs, there are three chips right here. So this is the sensors that we propose, which is the LiDAR sensors, the ambient light sensors, the gyroscopes, and the micro cameras and other essential sensors needed for this binary eye. So this is the model, and then for the shading, we are we we are using different types of nodes right here. The texture coordinates, mapping, Voronoi texture, and color ramp. So for the Voronoi texture, we can see the roughness. If we level that down to 0, it becomes glossy. So, and this is the lens when being equipped with the VMN eyeball. We move the lens inside the human eyeball. We go to shading. So this will be their view. As you can see, it has this glossy texture, and it can also protect our eyes from dust when we are navigating. Next is spatial awareness. This 3D model illustrates the proposed design of a revolutionary contact lens equipped with multiple sensors, most notably by a mini LiDAR sensor. The LiDAR sensor continuously emits laser pulses which bounce off objects in the environment and return to the lens, as you can see in the illustration. The real-time spatial mapping provides a wealth of information about the environment, including the distance, size, and shape of objects. This information can be processed and relayed to the wearer through various means, such as audio cues, haptic feedback, and visual overlays. This enhanced spatial awareness is especially beneficial for individuals with visual impairments who can face significant challenges with navigation and independent living. By providing real-time information about their surroundings, the LiDAR-enabled contact lens has the potential to significantly improve their safety, mobility, and overall quality of life. Now, for our spatial awareness, we are using a software called SketchUp, and then we process it again using D5 Render and Unreal Engine. So right now we are in the D5 Render software. So in our spatial awareness, this real-time spatial mapping provides a wealth of information about the environment, including the distance, size, and shape of objects. This can be processed and relayed to the wearer through various measures, audio cues, haptic feedback, and visual overlays, as we said earlier. So, for example, so as you can see here, this is our object, and our contact lens has a sensor called LiDAR, and which is backed by other sensors such as ambient light sensors and proximity sensors. They burst out lots of lasers that will bounce through any what's in front of them and goes back to the lens. So it has a overlay which can detect the distance of these cars that is going across the streets, and it can also scan the environment for potential risk and dangers. As you can see, a father here holding a child. This can help those kinds of people, especially when they are crossing the streets. They can know any potential hazards. And this is very helpful, especially with those people with visual and audio impairments, which they faces significant challenges when it comes to these kinds of problems.
3D modeling for scan. The binary eyes integrated LiDAR sensors serves as the foundation for its groundbreaking 3D scanner modeling feature. By emitting laser pulses and analyzing the reflected light, the lens can construct a detailed 3D point cloud of the mirror surroundings in real time. This point cloud data is then processed by the lens onboard computer, transforming it into a rich interactive 3D model. Unlike traditional photos or videos, these 3D models capture depth and spatial relations of objects in a scene, providing a more immersive and realistic presentation of the wearer's experience. Users can revisit these 3D models later, virtually stepping back into the momentum they were captured.
Now, for our 3D modeling scanner, our binary eye or contact lens also is equipped with micro cameras and other sensors. The major sensor we are using for this 3D modeling is our LiDAR scanner, which is used in various smartphones today, and even NASA uses this type of technology to 3D map the surfaces of the moon and other planets. So, right now for example, a user wants to take a picture of his house, the car, or whatever what's in front of him. He can create a 3D model of it. So in this way we can revolutionize also photography and how we capture a video, picture or whatever. So for example, this man want to capture his house, which is this one, the Xian House 2. The way it works is when they capture the image, it will not directly show the colors, the textures. It will create the model, which is this one. This will be the first view of the 3D model after the user would like to capture his house. So as you can see, there's still no colors, no textures. It is like a plain version of the 3D model. As you can see right here. And this because in this type of photography, it needs lots of time to process, and it's not like any other traditional photography, a 2D. This is a 3D photography, so it needs lots of data to process this kind of technology. And then after a couple of minutes, it will now display the full model with colors, complete with details and other. And now the user have now created this 3D model of the house he built.
So enhanced driving. The binary eyes LiDAR technology and sensors should extend their capability beyond pedestrian vision to revolutionize the driving experience. By continuously scanning the road and surrounding, the lens provides driver with real-time contextual information directly in their field of vision, enhancing safety and situational awareness. Key features and benefits. Collision avoidance. The LiDAR sensor detects vehicles, pedestrians, cyclists, and other obstacles, alerting the driver of potential collision through visual or audio cues. This proactive warning system can significantly reduce the risk of accident. lane departure warning. The lens tracks the vehicle's position with marking, providing a gentle alert if the driver unintentionally drifts out of their line. Adapted cruise control. By monitoring the distance to the vehicle ahead, the lens can assist with maintaining a safe following distance, automatically adjusting speed as needed. Bin- Binary eye, speed limited, and traffic sign recognition. The lens can identify the display speed limits and traffic signs directly in the driver's field of view, ensuring they are always aware of the current location. Navigation assistance. The lens can overlay turn-by-turn directions on the road, eliminating the need to glance at a separate GPS device or smartphone screen.
Now for our enhanced driving, as we all know today that the major type of navigation that will help us throughout our driving is in our smartphone, which is the Waze and other like Google Maps and other navigation systems. So medyo kapoy siya kay magtanaw-tanaw pa ta sa tong phone, ma-distract ta sa atong pag-drive, like magdungo-dungo pa ta. In this way, nana sa atong contact lens na integrate na siya, nana siya UI nga mo detect like traffic lights or napay nilabang the navigation. Di na ta mo sa tong phone. Like for example, if we add a asset here, for example, a sign, it can also detect signs and now let's say for example if you're a tourist pero lahi ang language sa sign nilang gigamit atong contact lenses na siya or live transcription or translator, it can translate any types of language sa ganan mong i-translate. So it is very helpful for navigation in this way rather than using our phones or rather than using our phones. So next is smart home interaction. The binary eye extends its capabilities beyond personal augmentation to transform the way users interact with their smart homes by leveraging eye tracking and gesture control. The lens becomes a seamless interface for controlling various smart home devices, offering convenience, efficiency, and truly futuristic experience. The key features and benefits. Intuitive control. Users can control lights, thermostats, locks, entertainment systems, and other connected devices with simple eye gestures or voice commands. For example, a wink could turn off lights, a double blink could adjust the thermostat, and voice command like play music could activate audio systems. Customization. The lens interface can be personalized to match individual preferences, allowing users to create custom gestures or voice commands for their most frequently used devices or actions. Next is real-time feedback. The lens can provide visual feedback on the status of smart home devices, such as displaying the current temperature or confirming that a command has been executed. Security and privacy. The eye tracking and voice recognition technologies can be used for biometric authentication, ensuring that only authorized users can control the smart home systems. Now, for our smart home interaction, as we all know that most of our smart home appliances, such as smart lights, the way we turn on our televisions are controlled over the app. And ang app is na po siya voice commands such as Google Home. Pwede na to siya magamit for controlling our lights and other. So sa ato is ang lens na siya integrated smart home chip. Like pwede ka maka-interact sa mga smart home appliances, no need na ta mo sa tong phone. Like mo Google pa tayo, Siri or any other voice commands or any voice assistants out there, which is very convenient than using our phone. Like we are using a eye gestures. For example, if we blink twice, this television will turn on, the audio system will turn on, or any other the refrigerator, or you can customize whatever gestures you like to control your appliances. Now that's for our smart home interaction. It is also usable for our during our bedtime. For example, if we want to create an alarm, because we in our binary we have haptic feedbacks.
Ethical considerations. Number one, privacy and data security. Data collection. The lenses will collect a vast amount of personal data, including location, visual information, and potential even biometric data. It's essential to address how this data will be stored, who will have access to it, and how it will be protected from unauthorized access or misuse. Consent. Users should be fully informed about types of data being collected, how it will be used, and who it will be shared with. They should have the option to opt out of certain data collection to limit how their data is used. Anonymity. Anonymization. Explore methods to anonymize or identify data to protect user privacy while still allowing for data analysis and research.
Next is health and safety. Long-term effects investigate the potential long-term effects of wearing LiDAR-enabled contact lenses, including the impact of laser emission on eye health and the potential for discomfort or irritation. Safety protocols discuss the need for rigorous testing and safety protocols to ensure the lenses meet or exceed safety standards before they are made available to the public. Risk mitigation outlines strategies to mitigate potential risks such as limiting exposure to LiDAR emissions, incorporating automatic shut-off mechanism, and providing regular eye checkup for users.
The third one is accessibility and affordability. Address the potential cost of technology and explore strategies to ensure equitable access for individuals from different socioeconomic backgrounds. Universal design that design the lens interface and features to be inclusive and usable by individuals with diverse abilities and disabilities. Avoidance of bias. Ensure that the algorithms used for object recognition, transcription, and other functions are free from biases that could disadvantage certain groups of people.
For the last one, social implications. Impact on human interaction. Discuss the potential impact of LiDAR-enabled contact lenses on interpersonal communication and social dynamics. With the constant stream of information and augmented reality experience, enhance or hinder social interactions. Addiction and dependence. Explore the potential for overuse or addiction to the technology and discuss strategies to promote healthy usage patterns.
Conclusion. In conclusion, the binary eye concept represents a paradigm shift in human-computer interaction and augmented perception. By seamlessly integrating LiDAR, eye tracking, and other advanced sensors into a contact lens form factor, we have the potential to revolutionize how we experience and interact with the world around us. This multi-sensor approach promises to first transform memory capture into an immersive 3D experience, allowing us to relive moments with unprecedented detail and realism. Enhance safety and navigation for everyone, particularly those with visual impairments, by providing real-time spatial awareness and object detection. Empower individuals with disabilities through accessible technologies like real-time transcription and environmental sound recognition. Streamline human-computer interaction through intuitive eye gestures and voice commands, making technology more accessible and less intrusive. Open up new possibilities for innovation in fields like healthcare, education, and entertainment. While challenges remain in terms of miniaturization, power management, and ethical considerations, the binary eye concept offers a compelling vision for the future of wearable technology. By continuing to explore and develop this concept, we can move closer to a reality where technology seamlessly integrates with our lives, enhancing our perception, understanding, and interaction with the world in ways we never thought possible. The binary eye is not just a technological advancement, It is step towards a future where technology truly augments human potential and empowers us to live richer, safer, and more fulfilling lives. And that is our concept paper of Binary Eye, the future of human vision. Yay! And now we're done.